Okay, this is the front of the house. Let me see if I can get Clinton's got sticks sticking out of the snow mound. Let's see. Right there, and there's the neighbors that are always parking right there, so I'm glad he stuck those things right there, you know. He did it for fun. Looks good. There's the front of the house. Snow is melting. So, hey, we come a long way. Let me see if I can zoom, not mess up. All the way across our front yard. See sticks. Isn't that cute? This is going out to the street. All this beautiful snow. You shove it over to the side. This is the round and the curly truck. Most driveways are clear now. This is the one next door to us. Kids are having fun. Okay, that's it. See how well I do. Back to our house. There's the fire hydrant. Yellow. Okay, that's it.